Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm trying to help this person burn basically with their laser into a polymer grip. And I started thinking about, at first we were just doing circles, and that might not be enough, so you could add some other lines to give it maybe a better grip and a unique look. You'd be the only one out there doing it. So how did I create this? Pretty easy. Let's just take our ellipse button, hold down the control button to make it perfect. We're going to make it 0.2 like we did in the last couple of videos. And then take the polygon tool and have your polygon set on 4. Don't hold down your control button and make it whatever diamond shape you want. And then select both these and go CE. That put it in the center of that circle. Now we can make the diamond a little bit bigger by holding down the shift key and let it grow from the outside. I think that's pretty good. Now let's take a 2-point line and select them all and go EC, which puts it in the center. So for just a brief second, let me see what my nudge factor is. It's 0.25, which is good. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to fill that in with the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to select both these. I'm going to left click, right click, and you see the line stopped my Smart Fill. So now we can take this half, go up to Effects and Contour, and let's contour to the inside, just 0.1. Let's take this shape inside 0.1. Now let's take away our line. Let's select all of this, go up to Object and break the 4 objects apart, which is the same thing as breaking the contour apart, and then just nudge this over. Now let's make everything black so it'll be uniform. And you would want something other. I don't know why that's not working. Something other than a hairline. Maybe I'll have to select the lines individually. Normally that will do all the lines. Let's just take that line and make it black. And we can just do that by right-clicking the color fill. And there's still all a hairline, and you wouldn't really want that. So let's select everything and make it something other than a hairline. And if you think that's too thick, you can always type in 2.5, make it half that thick. Whoop. .25. And now it's not a hairline. I'm not 100% sure on that because the lesser point was 0.5. Yeah, so it's half of that distance. And you'd have to test that to make sure everything's okay. But I think this would look a lot better as a grip than just a circle. Because I think you're going to have you need something in the middle to burn in to give it a better grip. And this is just my opinion. I mean, I guess you could actually fill in the colors with black, and then you'd have a space between there that would give you some grip, because the white lines would not be burned and they would give you a grip. So hopefully he's got a couple of places he can test on and see which one works the best. But then you would just do the exact same thing to transform them. If you open up the transformation docker or transform docker, depending on which one you have, and it'll still duplicate them no matter what's going on. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.